way to the port again, and we're going to be sailing on the Carnival Victory again. One last time before she turns into Carnival Radiance. We're taking a weekend cruise to the Bahamas. It's very windy, so I'm not sure if we're going to get a chance to stop in Nassau. We'll see. We're going to have fun regardless. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on that notification bell. It took all of about maybe 10 minutes to go through security and check in. We checked in online and we are about to go on board. Things about going on a Carnival ship is blue iguana. Love their food. Won't be able to hear this for the wind, but we finally made it up to the very top deck where the golf course is. It only took us 3 times. So we're just sitting here on the Serenity deck, relaxing. There's very few people here. It's a very windy day here in Miami. Just having a drink, waiting for the rooms to come available. We have about another 15-20 minutes or so. Then we'll walk down to the room. So thanks again for joining us. Again, if you like the video, click subscribe and the like button, and also click on the notifications. I really appreciate it. Cheers. Okay, so it's about 1:30 and we are on our way to the room. The rooms are ready now. We actually just saw our bags, so we're going to let them take our bags to the room. So we're going to go to the room right now. Hi everybody, we made it to our room. It's just a standard Carnival Victory room. You have the sofa in here, and everything else is about the same. So yeah, this is the room. I'll give you a quick room tour. So as you can see, we have 2 twin beds here. Of course, as I said before, we're going to get the cabin steward to put the beds together. Nothing special. We have our Choose Fun unpacking mat for the suitcases. And then on the outside we have our balcony. And then of course you've got the 2-seater sofa, a table that's in front of it. This cabin also has USB ports, and then it also has the 120 volt plugs for US. This room does not have a refrigerator. I take that back. This room does have a refrigerator. It is in the cabinet beside. And then you also have small hanging space, storage, and then on the third, you've got safe, another area, and then the life vest. And then on the back of the door, of course, you have where your muster station is. Our muster station is H on deck 4. The bathroom is your standard Carnival bathroom. Shower with shower gel and bath wash. Your towel rack. And then of course, this also has your cabinets, your shelves on either side of the mirror that allows you to store more stuff. And now I'm going to show you the balcony. As I said before, this balcony is a little bit smaller than the other room that we stayed in. Again, this is on the aft of or back of the ship. But it does provide spectacular views. I really like being able to sail back here. And remember, I said before, these rooms, the price was under $300. This right here is a whole lot cheaper than what Royal Caribbean had for their inside cabins for basically the same trip on Navigator. So that's one reason why we chose this. So yeah, this right here is our balcony. And you do have a view of everybody else's balcony. So yeah, that's a quick room tour of our cabin. And so now we're gonna wait for the muster drill, and then we'll be back after that. It's about 15 minutes until muster drill. We're having another drink, and we're just waiting until they have the safety briefing, and then we'll see what happens after that. Otherwise, we're just relaxing and having fun. 5 cars the back of the ship. One quick note, if you're going to get the drink package, I recommend getting it before you get on the ship. This trip we found out that we were probably going to drink more than what we thought we were going to drink. And so we decided to get the drink package, and it was a little bit more expensive. So I do recommend that you get the drink package before you get on the ship. It's going to be a little bit cheaper. So yeah, we're still waiting for the muster drill. It is 2:56. And so yeah, we're waiting for the muster drill. So yeah, if you're going to get the drink package, get it before you get on the ship because it's a lot cheaper.
And we know that we were just dumb.
We know that we were just dumb. So anyway, stay tuned for all the fun. Okay, so now we're going to the muster station for the muster drill, and then after that, the party continues. drill is over. It's time to have fun. So we are sailing away now. As you can see, Miami in the background. Miami is probably one of the best sail away areas that you can go from. It's just gorgeous when you're doing a sail away party from there. And of course, we have our champagne. Very windy again. I'm not sure if you can hear me, so we'll see if this works. Hello everyone. So we had a wonderful day today. We went and walked around the ship. Of course you have to do that. We went to places on the ship that we hadn't been before, like the very top deck where the putt-putt area is, the mini golf area. Very windy up there. You really couldn't even play with golf up there. We went and bought the drink package because we figured we would be drinking a whole lot more, and we were right. We went to the Alchemy Bar. I got the French Kiss, which was really good, and then we went over to the sports bar, and I got the, what was it?
Grand Slam?
The Grand Slam. The Grand Slam is kind of like a Long Island iced tea without the Coca-Cola. Instead, it's got Chambord in it, and it will knock you off your socks. So, great drink. We're tired, so we're going to go to bed now. I have a hot tea and some popcorn from out front. They were having movie night tonight, and so we swiped some popcorn to enjoy the evening here. So we're gonna just like chill out here, relax, and just enjoy the night. We've had a wonderful day. We had lunch at the Blue Iguana. We had dinner at the Guy Fieri Burger Bar, which was delicious. Both of them were delicious. And then we had champagne on our balcony, which was wonderful. And yeah, it's just been a wonderful day. Really enjoying this ship. It's kind of like, you know, we went on the Royal Caribbean Majesty of the Seas many times, and it kind of become very familiar, and it's kind of like this ship is too. It's going to be the Carnival Radiance that happens in March. So yeah, so we've had a great night, and we're going to just relax now. So thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the like button, and thanks for joining us on my channel.